You're required by law to have a privacy and a security officer for your practice or your business. These roles can be combined to one individual, but are recommended to be separate to ensure proper checks and balances. So what are the duties of a Hipaa privacy officer? A Hipaa privacy officer is responsible for developing a HIPAA-compliant privacy program if one does not already exist. They must ensure that there are privacy policies to protect the integrity of PHI and that they are all enforced. He or she will deliver or oversee ongoing employee privacy training, conduct risk assessments, and develop HIPAA-compliant procedures where necessary. A Hipaa privacy officer will have to monitor compliance with the privacy program, investigate incidents in which a breach of PHI may have occurred, report breaches as necessary, and ensure patients' rights in accordance with state and federal laws. In order to fulfill the duties of a Hipaa privacy officer, the appointed person will have to keep up to date with relevant state and federal laws. So now you may ask yourself, what's the contrast between the security officer and the privacy officer? The duties of a Hipaa security officer are not dissimilar of those to a privacy officer, inasmuch as the appointed person will be responsible for the development of security policies, the implementation of procedures, training, risk assessments, and monitoring compliance. However, the focus of a security officer is to ensure compliance with the administrative, physical, and technical safeguards of the security rule. In this respect, the duties of a Hipaa security officer can include such topics as the development of a disaster recovery plan, the mechanisms in place to prevent unauthorized access to PHI, and how electronic PHI is transmitted and stored. Due to the similarity in duties, the roles of a Hipaa privacy officer and a Hipaa security officer can be performed by the same person in smaller organizations. You can complete all required actions to be Hipaa and high-tech compliant yourself. Since the Hipaa and high-tech laws are pliable, they have to be customized to your exact need. If you feel that the technical policies and procedures are overwhelming, we recommend that you use a Hipaa compliance guide, like ourselves, to guide you through your Hipaa journey.